For development purpose, we required these three softwares in order to develop REST web services. We required WinRAR, JDK, and Eclipse. Let us see all these three softwares downloading and installation right from the scratch. First and foremost one, win-rar.com. In the win-rar.com, come little down, download, come to the little down, download WinRAR. Let me choose a separate directory. I'll create a new directory. REST API softwares. Try saving WinRAR. The second one is JDK. Google.com. Products. Just go little up, you can find Java. Download Java. So click on JDK download. In the bottom you can see compressed archive. Always advisable to download compressed archive for the JDK Windows 64. Click on this link. Accept terms and condition. Download. Choose the same location. Click on save. Come to the last one. Eclipse.org. Eclipse.org. Click on download. Everybody, Eclipse.org. In the right top, there is a download. Come on, guys. Eclipse.org. In the top right, there is a download. Come little bottom. You need to select download packages. Click on download packages. Download packages. There will be several packages. You have to choose Enterprise Java and Web Developer. The package name should be Enterprise Java and Web Developers. So under this package, click on Windows x86 and 64. in the Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and web developers. Under Windows 86 and 64, click on this. Now you got the exact download. Click on this download. It should be Enterprise Eclipse, Enterprise Java and web developer Eclipse. Try saving. Guys, let me install WinRAR. Double click on downloaded application file. Click on yes. Click on install. Click on OK. Click on done. No need of changing anything. Next one, JDK. Extract this JDK. Everybody extract JDK. Right click on compressed file. Extract to. You can find JDK uncompressed file. Sorry, uncompressed folder. Go inside. Go inside a JDK. Go inside a bin. This location should be updated in the path. In the path environment variable, we need to update this. Copy. Right click on this PC. Go to the properties. Look for environment variables. Otherwise, search for environment variables. env edit environment variables. Click on this. Already path is there. Select this path. Click on edit. If there is no path, go to the new. You need to do in the upper section, not in the lower section. Please observe. Click on edit if path is there. Select the path, click on edit, then go to the new, specify whatever path. Click OK in all the windows. If you don't have a path, Then click on new, specify name as a path, the value whatever copied from the bin folder, whatever you copied. Click OK in all the windows. JDK is ready. We have to go for Eclipse. We installed WinRAR and we uncompressed JDK updated path environment variable. The next one is Eclipse. Uncompressed downloaded zip file. Uncompressed downloaded zip file. Right click on Eclipse JEE, extract to, go inside uncompressed. You can find Eclipse folder. Only for checking purpose, just to click on this Eclipse, last third file. Double click on it. Last third file, double click on it. Eclipse will try to start. Extract Eclipse. Go inside Eclipse folder. Look for a file Eclipse. Eclipse is asking, what is the workspace? The location where you want to develop applications. By default, it is taking C drive, users folder, user folder, then Eclipse workspace. It is not advisable to choose the same location. Please observe, go for a different location. Click on browse, go to E drive, create any folder. I am creating REST API -deb. Inside this folder, you can go for Eclipse workspace. E drive REST API DAV Eclipse Workspace. Click on Launch. Eclipse is opened. The complete setup is done. Whatever software is required, all the softwares right from the scratch we have seen. Downloading, installation, if any configuration, everything is done.